Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So this is a manual for the best PC game when you have a custom uniforms that you had created and you wanted to insert into the game, and after inserting you have some parts of the uniform it as a kit. You have these parts absent or transparent. So for example, on the right we have in yellow shirts, right shirt and left shirt. So here we have on the left black and on the right black or yellow or gray black, light black. So two shirts, but when we are inside the game we have transparent shirts, so we only see on some replays black shirts, but in game when we oppose another team, the goalkeeper for example, or anyone else, we see that he has no shorts, but he has like transparent shorts. So how to fix this issue? So the problem is that our uniform, for example, is created or from scratch or from a copy of another one, or online, for example, with SitePass Master. So after saving it, having a copy from some other uniform, it's already the image is set already as transparent, so we don't need to save it again as transparent. Let me show you what we need to do to save it. So for example, using such a famous document image video program ИНСТРУКЦІЯ, it is the name. So when we click on save button, we need to toggle all these flags. For example, the last one we can leave, but we don't need to select save transparent color, because the image is already transparent, so double transparency can lead to strange things, where black color or probably some other color will have a transparent show in the inside the game. So we just can use, for example, this point or without this point, and then we click on save button, and this is all. We have this issue fixed.